After years of being forgotten, this abandoned Camaro sat untouched beneath the trees, waiting for a second chance. At first glance, the car looked beyond saving. Every detail showed years of neglect. The windshield hadn't been cleaned in years. Nature had already begun taking over. As soon as the door opened, years of dust exploded into the air. The Camaro had been sitting for years. Now it was finally leaving its resting place. Getting it onto the truck was the first step toward bringing it back. With the inspection complete, it was time to take the car where the real work could begin. The Camaro had finally arrived at the workshop. Years of neglect had left the engine buried beneath dust and grime. The electrical system showed clear signs of age and corrosion. Every component needed inspection before any attempt to start the engine. Now came the moment of truth. Some signs of life remained hidden beneath the years of neglect. The engine was complete. Now the real restoration could begin. What we found under the hood would determine the future of this Camaro. Before touching the paint, years of dirt needed to be safely removed. A thick foam blanket began breaking down years of contamination. Even the rear end had disappeared beneath layers of foam. The original paint started revealing itself one section at a time. The difference was becoming impossible to ignore. The wheels carried years of brake dust and contamination. Even the wheel wells needed serious attention. The interior was worse than expected. Dust had reached every corner. Underneath the seats, years of dirt and debris had accumulated. The first challenge was the interior. Years of dirt had completely taken over the cabin. Removing the loose debris immediately revealed a dramatic difference. The floor mats had absorbed years of neglect. Every surface would need a deep cleaning treatment. Dust had settled into places most people never even notice. The steering wheel slowly began looking like new again. Even the smallest details received special attention. The seats held years of hidden contamination. Every pass revealed just how dirty this car had become. The center console finally started reflecting light again. The floor mats needed far more than a simple wash. The engine bay was just as neglected as the interior. Years of grime slowly disappeared from the engine compartment. The paint looked tired, but there was still life hiding beneath the oxidation. With every pass, the original finish started coming back. Fresh components gave the engine its best chance to come back to life. After all the work, everything came down to this moment. Would the engine finally wake up after years of silence? The engine came back to life, and it sounded better than expected. The transformation was visible in every detail. Even the wheels looked factory fresh once again. The same car that arrived covered in dirt now looked completely different. From forgotten and abandoned to restored and alive once again.